All right, folks, so let's look at question number 3 now. It says, determine the present value of a debt of $1,760 due in 4 months if interest is at 9.34%, is allowed to be at 9.34%. So we have to figure out the present value or the principal amount that you need in order for your debt to have the maturity or future value of 1,760 in 4 months if the interest is this much. Okay, so all the information here is given. So S, or future value or maturity value, is 1760. The R is 9.34%, which can also be written as 9.75%, which can also be written as 9.75 over 100, which can also be written as 0.0975, and then you finally have your amount of time, which is 4 months. Time equals 4 months. We can write it as 4 over 12, and we can also write it as 4 times 1, 4 times 3, so 1 over 3, right? And now all we have to do is just plug in the principal or present value formula, which is S over 1 plus RT, and the value of S is 1760, as we saw earlier. 1760 divided by 1 plus RT, 0.0975 times 1 over 3, right? And so when we use our calculator, we get 0.0975 times 1 divided by 3 plus 1 equals 1.0325. So this becomes 1.0325, and 1760 is our future value. And when we divide 1760 divided by 1.0325, we end up with 1. We end up with our principal amount, or our present value, as 1704.60, okay, dollars, right? And that is our value. So let's see if this is the correct 0.704.60. Yeah, that's right. That is the solution for question 3. Very good. So all we did here, we are already given the amount, the future value, we're given the rate of interest, we're given the time. All we did was plugged in the principal or present value formula. Okay. Boom. So that's question 3. Let's look at question 5. Compute the amount of money that is deposited in an account on this time will grow to this amount by this date. So whoever is attempting this question, all you have to do is figure out the number of days between this and this date, okay? And then you have to just use the formula just I used like before. The annual Deerfield Golf Club membership fees are due on this date. Club management offers reduced fees to members who pay their dues by September 1st. How much must a member pay on September 1st to take advantage of the club's management offer? So that this much is due on this date, right? So whoever pays early, that is, he pays by 2021, they'll get a discount of like 18.9%, right? That's the interest rate they're saving on. So how much money must a member pay if she chooses to take advantage of the club's management offer? So that will end up being your R. That will determine from September to March, will determine your T, the number of days, and this will be your S, or maturity value. Okay, I skipped over question 2, so let's go back to that. What amount of money will accumulate to this much in this many days at 4.6%? Again, you are given your S, which is 480.57. Okay, your time is 93 days, so that would be 93 over 365. And then, the rate is 4.6%, which is the same as 0.046, right? And then the formula for principal value is S. So S, the value of S over 1 plus RT. So, we have S as this one. So 480.57 divided by 1 plus R. So 0.046 times 93 over 365, right? And then we just multiply all this and we will get the answer, okay? So you guys can do the calculation here. The same goes for question 4. You are given the future value, or S. You are given 80 days, so time equals to 80 over 365, and is due in 5.3%, that's your rate of interest, and you're supposed to calculate present value using the same formula, P equals S over 1 plus RT. Okay, so I think you guys will be able to do questions up till question 6. Okay, so that will be the assignment or homework for this class. All right, so best of luck, and I will see you in the next video.